Hey AGC renovation team, this is MJ from PowerShot Leads, and I just wanted to take a minute. And I know you guys are super busy, and so am I. So I'm just going to run you through your business real quick and show you some things that you guys can get better with over there. So the first thing I want to run with you is website and content. So Google looks at how much content you have on your site, and that's what you're found for, and that's how they push you up to the top of search results. So they like to see a minimum of 1500 words on the front page, and looks like you guys have your website think it's not working. Okay, so we need to definitely get that working and be developed as soon as possible to keep up with the competition in the market. Okay, so we are missing a lot of opportunities, of course, without your website not running. Okay? So, your competition, on the other hand, of course, when I went out and searched for renovation services Chicago, okay, so by the way, this is called the map pack, and they're right there at the top of the map pack. So the first thing we went over is website and content, right? So you need to get that content up once the website is developed and working again. We need 1500 words. So it looks like your competition right here has around 300 to 400 words. Okay, so we definitely have some room for improvement. Okay, so we can definitely beat them out with content on the front page. Of course, it's actually important to have the 1500 words in the front page, and of course we need to get your website working, and of course we need to add a bunch of back pages, right? So this is called the back pages. So once we get that working, we need to add more. We need to add a lot. Okay, so um we definitely need to build this website up to have a lot of content coming through it, so we can meet the missed opportunities, right? Okay. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is links. So content and links are what really matters with Google. So the next thing we're talking about is links, right? So of course, when checking your website, so you only have three backlinks, no keywords, and no traffic. I think it's because it's not working right now, or I don't think if you guys have a new website. All right. So this is called the Trust Store. Trust Store. So definitely Google doesn't uh, trust you. So zero out of 100, and you guys have only 0.4 out of 100 power. Okay, so that's kind of pretty low. Okay, so your competition is sitting at around 25 out of 100 Trust Store from Google, and 30 out of 100 power. So they have a lot of backlinks. Okay, 1.9k for the backlinks, 468 keywords, and of course their traffic is around 181. It looks like kind of low, but actually they're generating high quality leads on on an organic setup. Okay, so how they do this is, of course, the web is actually made up of nothing but links pointing back and forth from each other. So that's what backlinks is. So that's the definition of backlinks. So pointing back and forth from each other. Of course, when people click on a certain website that is involved with this competitor of yours, so um, they actually direct once they click a highlighted word on their website, so actually directs to your competitor's website, so they gain a lot of traffic. Okay, so um, this is actually trying, like Google is actually trying to tell to the public or to the people looking for renovation services in Chicago, right? Like, hey, this is the best renovation service in Chicago. Chicago. Okay, so not all links are created equal, and it looks like your competition has some low level links here, right? But so do you, of course. And once we of course once we get that up, of course it will actually raise your trust and power above theirs, and it will start pushing those keywords. All right, but we got to start getting that content done, and of course start pushing the links after we have the content, of course, for your website. So um just to be clear, this is the website, I mean, this is the keywords that people are searching for. And looks like when people search for, of course, let's check. When people search for around, of course, Ariete Renovators, Ariete Chicago, Hinsdale Bathroom Design, Chicago Living Room Design. So they're actually at the top of the result search results part. Okay, so we can consider some of these keywords to be involved on your um, website content. Okay, so right now you guys have no ranking. Okay, but also your competitor is ranked around in the 8 million spot around the world, alongside the businesses in Google. So we actually got some catching up to do. Definitely doable, I promise you. So again, when I went out and did some searches, like I said, I put in renovation services, um, Chicago. They were at the number one spot. Okay, and they're also in the map pack right here. They're at the number one spot of the map pack, of course. So this next thing we're talking about is citation. It has everything to do with this map pack right here, and getting up there, of course it's about your name, your address, and a phone number being throughout the web on directories or website directories such as Yelp, Citystar, Yext, and all those different directories. And it has to be your exact name as it appears on Google, your exact address and exact phone number as it appears on Google. And it's got to be pushed throughout the web. Okay. When I pulled a research here, and let me go back to return to results, I was in there looking at, of course. So, AGC Renovation LLC have has only four citations in total, while your competitor right here, Arete Renovators, I don't know how to pronounce it, so they actually have 21 citations in total. So of course you need to get your citations above theirs to start beating them in this map pack right here. So you probably ask yourself how I do that. Well, I click in here, right? And I'm able to see, right? I'm able to see every citation that they have, and we can go after those same citations so that we start beating them on the map pack, right? So of course that goes for the same with links, guys. Okay. So I'm able to click into their backlinks, find what backlinks they have, and I can go after those or better ones too, so that we start beating them organically. Okay, so we have a lot of backlinks that you can consider here, links, right? And actually, it will help us get at the top of the competition in the market once we get this. Okay, so now, anyways, I gave you the three things that I think that would tremendously help your business. Of course, website and content. Second is citations, of course, for the map pack. And third one is, of course, links. Okay, so website, content, and links and citations. That's the three things, okay? So if we do those three things today, we could start beating your competition down the road. So if you guys need any help with your web, kindly give me a call. Okay, I will be providing my details via email, Facebook chat, or on whatever platforms that you guys may prefer. So again, this is MJ from PowerShot Leads. So I know you guys are super busy, so I'm going to let you go now. So again, thank you and have a great day ahead.